I see Norman in Batman Returns, and Luke can be seen.
This is Tonka. A nice little smile out there, team. But he's out here for a very important reason. Did you folks know that chimpanzees, gorillas, and orangutans are all considered endangered species? This is due primarily to habitat destruction. Now stand nice and straight. Give yourself a little round of applause. Stand up straight and just clap. That's good. Okay, now there are a lot of... Stand up. A lot of people out there can get a little embarrassing, don't you think? That's okay, T. Hey, just give them some of that chimp attitude of yours. Very nice. Okay, give me 5. That's weak. Hit that. Hit it. Down low. Oh, don't hit yourself in the head. Too slow. Up high. Smack that baby. Come on. Okay, get back on your mark. And wave goodbye to all the nice people. You're all done.
You should have so many people here. You can see how many people.
Watch your heads. All right, there's a nice flight, huh? Excuse me, sir, would you mind taking that dollar bill out one more time? Thanks, guys. Now, if you tried to get a picture of Chance as he was flying down here, you know just how difficult that can be for a camera person. What I'm going to do with Pepper is place her very gently up in a current of wind for a few seconds. If you want to get a shot, focus about 4 to 5 feet above my head. There's an excellent flight from Pepper. Nice job there, Pepper. There's your little treat. Now, if you folks want to try this trick when you get home tonight, just take out your portable GE fan, your little pet canary, and come on, get off the stage. Good. Sit, wave hello to everyone. Make them feel welcome. Now, Buster and I are going to show you some of the basics that every good studio dog needs to learn in order to get a part in a movie or television production. Can you speak? Speak. Good boy. Turn that way. No. Hey, your other left. Good. Turn that way again. Good. Get familiar with it. Good. Back that way. One more time. Over there. Back that way. Over there. Good, catch this. Nice catch. Back up there. One more time. Up, head up. Keep going. Now this is how you can exercise your dog without leaving the couch. Stay. Speak. Good. Sit. Get him up. Up high. Stay. Take a bow. All right. Very good. Thank you. Come on over here. Let's do a little dog acting for the folks. Okay, back. Back. Lie down. What are you doing? Back up. Lie down. Good. Stay. There's a squeeze snack for you. Stay. Hey. Head down. Stay. Head down. Please. No, stay. Head down. Good. Head up. Good. Head down. Good. Head up. A little higher. Crawl. Uh-oh, you just got hit by a car. All the way on your side. That was a fast-moving car. Get over there. No, on your side. Stay. I guess the car was going the other direction. Stay. Straighten up, stay. Speak. Good. On your feet. Back up. Back. 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 Trust me. Back up. I know where it is. Back up. Back. Keep going. Back up. Back. Stay. Give me your foot. Stay. Come easy. Stay. Stay. Keep coming. All right. Very good. Easy there, buddy. Good boy. Hide the eyes. If I can see him. If I can see him, you're not hiding them. Hide those eyes. Put your head up. Speak. Hide your eyes. All right, much better. How about a big hand for Buster, folks? Good girl. I need one of the kids out there that wants to help me out. I need somebody small, somebody close, with a lot of enthusiasm, wants to work with. You want to help me out? Come on down here. Just push and shove. You'll never see those people again. Come on over here. Have a seat in the chair for me. Hi, what's your name? Kelsey? Where are you from, Kelsey? She's from home, folks. All right, go ahead and have a seat for me there, Kelsey. What we're going to do, Kelsey, we're going to prove to you that Lassie here is so smart, she's going to listen to you and follow your direction. And how we're going to prove that is we have a big pile of clothes backstage. We have hats, shirts, shoes, gloves, coats, pants, socks, boots, anything you can think of. When I bring her down next to you, I want you to lean over, whisper any two things right in her ear. She will then race backstage and get exactly what you asked for, okay? Come on down here, Lassie. That's good. Sit. Stay. Kelsey, go ahead and lean over there and whisper any two things right in her ear. Is that two? Very good, Kelsey. Okay, Lassie, there's a Scooty snack for you. Off you go. Go back there and get that first item for us. Now, she's been doing pretty good at this all day, folks. It's a big pile of clothes. Thank you very much, Lassie. Looks like she brought you out a hat, Kelsey. Did you ask her for a hat? You didn't ask her for a hat? What a cute child she is. Alrighty. But trust me, she never misses the second one. So we're going for 50%, and that's really not bad for Lassie today. So we just have to be patient. She'll bring out the second item, and it looks like you asked for this? Look what you did! Hold still. You don't want to scare him. You kind of missed the target there a little bit, Kelsey. And you look a little silly with a bird on your head. So you know what? I'm going to send him back up there. Guys, we have to send the bird back down because he didn't do... Ooh, nice autograph he left for you up there, Kelsey. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for Kelsey, Universal's newest bird trainer. Thank you. Here we go. That's very nice. Having kind of a bad hair day, though, are you? Don't be embarrassed. Give them a big smile for all their cameras. A smile would be showing your teeth. Smile out there. Hello, smile. Thank you, out there. Show those guys your smile. That's lovely. You like it, folks? Good crowd we have here, huh? Yeah, you like me too? Think I'm pretty cool? Pretty exciting show we have here so far, wouldn't you? So, straighten up. Wait a monkey. Folks, I really have to apologize. Folks, how about a big hand for Jethro?
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for all of our Apple Stars, your trainers, and your host, Mr. Tom Gunderson.
Thanks, folks. Have a great day here in the park. We do